Hi guys, my name is Sarady, and in this experiment I will be seeing how microwave and UV radiation affect different organisms. My materials will be seeds, yeast, 4 cups with warm water and yeast in them, and then 4 cups with soil in them. I will begin by adding 5 seeds into my control group. Once you've done that, you will label this control sample. For the second one, you would add 3 seeds, and these 3 seeds you're supposed to microwave them, but I already microwaved mine. And then for your third sample, you have to microwave your seeds for 15 seconds. And for your fourth one, you were supposed to microwave them for 30 seconds. For this, you are supposed to dump a packet of baker's yeast into a small bowl of warm water. You are supposed to stir it. This will be the control sample. For the second sample, you are supposed to pour warm water and microwave the yeast for 5 seconds. For the third one, you're supposed to put warm water as well, and you are supposed to microwave it for 15 seconds. And for the fourth one, you were supposed to microwave the yeast for 30 seconds.